Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to move to the next or previous worksheet in a workbook. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, we are in sheet 1. So I'm going to show you how we can move to sheet 2, to sheet 3, and to sheet 4, and then go back all the way to sheet 1. So to move to the next sheet, press Ctrl plus page down on your keyboard, and you can see it takes you to the next sheet, which is sheet 2. Then press again Ctrl plus page down. I hope you can see the difference as I press. So to go back, press Ctrl plus page up, and it takes you to the previous sheet or previous worksheets. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video. Bye.